A happy and successful new year is wished to each of you. It is length term already. In the last video, we looked at the universe, the solar system, and if you can recall, it was said that the universe is everything that exists. The solar system is just part of the universe. We have 8 planets, approximately 170 natural planetary satellites, or what we call moons, countless asteroids, meteorites, and comets. And of course, the sun at the center. Now, Earth is one of the planets that makes up the solar system. But I guess you guys already know that, right? Now, this video is about the Earth. We live on planet Earth, so it is pertinent that we study and that we know about where we live. All right? Have you ever questioned how the Earth was formed? Stay tuned because this video deals with just that. Let's just bear this in mind that no one knows for sure how the earth was formed. There are speculations, there are theories that were actually put forward. And some of these theories I want us to look at. We have the theory of creation. Most of us that are looking at this video, we believe in a supreme being. I will hope so. So, according to the theory of creation, it argues that God created the earth. I will rest my case there. That is my that God created the earth. And you can read this in Genesis 1:1. Now, let's look at the Big Bang Theory. And this theory is one of the most popular theory that lends to helping us to understand how the earth was created. Now, the Big Bang Theory is today's dominant scientific theory about the origin of the universe. According to this theory, the universe was created about 18 billion years ago from the random cosmic explosion of a subatomic ball that spread matter and energy in all directions. Now, this newly created matter and energy gelled into stars, galaxies, and planets, including Earth, where we live. About 99% of the matter in the universe is hydrogen and helium atoms. In our solar system, clouds of hydrogen and helium orbiting the sun cooled and combine to form planets, their moon, and other countless smaller bodies. And that is what the Big Bang Theory is actually supporting. There are so many other theories out there. Please read them up.